Hi there, I'm Katy for RustiKate, and today we're going to be working on a dimpled ring in needle tatting. Okay, so this is what a dimpled ring looks like. It actually looks a lot like a heart. So I can show you right like that. And this is one I've cut off just to show you, but I haven't hidden the thread ends. So that's a dimpled ring, and that's what we're going to be working on today. And dimpled rings are something that you see oftentimes in shuttle tatting, not so much in needle tatting. I've had several requests to make a video on dimpled rings and how to make them. I googled it really quick to see if there's anything out there, and I couldn't actually find anything with a quick search on doing the dimpled rings in the needle tatting. So I'm just going to show you the technique I use. There may be another technique out there, but this is what works for me. So I'm going to just show you how to do the ring. I'm not going to show you how to make any other project or anything, but just the ring today. And I'll try and take it slow. But if at any time this is moving too fast for you, there is on the YouTube video player in the settings, which looks like a kind of a gear. There's a setting that you can go in and change, and it'll let you adjust the speed of the video so you can make it as slow or as fast as you want. It's a really great option for people if you feel like I'm moving too slow or too fast for your learning style. Just go ahead and use that option and adjust the speed of the video to whatever works best for you. You can also always pause the video and reverse it as well. And I know it's there on PC when you access the videos through the computer. I'm not sure if that is available on the phone. All right, here we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and start like I'm making a ring. I already threaded my needle. I'm going to do the same amount of thread as I typically do. So the 12 inches of tail. I'm going to go about 2 feet down the thread towards the thread ball. I'm just going to do it as if I'm making a project. I'm going to do 8 double stitches. Okay, and then at this point I'm going to make a picot. And then I'm going to do 4 more double stitches. So I already have 1 there. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now if you were going to be doing a normal ring, you would continue on with your stitches, and then you would remove it and close your work like you typically would. Because I'm making a dimpled ring, I'm actually going to slide my work off my needle onto my thread, but I'm not going to close it yet. Okay, so it's off the needle, but it hasn't been closed yet. So now I'm going to bring my needle over and place it right at the top of my work and do 1 more stitch. So there's 1 double stitch on my needle. At this point I'm going to actually bend it over and I'm going to join to the picot that I already made. So I'm joining to my same ring. So within 1 ring I actually have a picot join. All right, now that it's joined, I'm going to make 8 more double stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now I'm ready to actually close my work. So I'm going to slide it through that part, and then I'm going to close it by passing the needle through that tail thread loop. Okay, and hopefully this will be in focus enough you can see this come together. You can see as it starts to close, it starts to make that heart shape. Right like that. And you can pull it as tight as you want. If you leave it a little bit looser, it's going to be a little bit more heart shaped. I'm going to make a knot right like that. And in this case I did the count of 5 double stitches between the picot join, but you can do less than that or more, just depending on how much of a point you want to create. So there you have it. That's how you make a dimpled ring in needle tatting. Let me know in the comments below if you've made a dimpled ring and if your technique is similar or if you use a completely different technique. I'd love to hear. Also let me know if you try this and it works for you. or if you have any troubles with it. I would love to hear from you in those comments below. Also, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure when you do that you check that notification bell and you'll get notified when any new content is posted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I will see you again next time.